Hi guys, you are watching Mel's Scuba World on YouTube. So today I wanted to show it to you. After you assemble your gears, you do need to check your gears before you do your pre-dive safety checks with your buddy. So if you haven't watched my video how to set up your kit, do look on the link below my description to learn how to set up your kit properly. So once you set up your kit, you need to check your gears in case, for example, you have a dog at home or a cat. So you want to make sure that it still works properly, or you might rent gears and you need to get familiar to it. So what I have here, I have a bungee cord. So if you're checking your gears on the bench, you want to make sure you secure it properly because you do not want it to fall over. If not, just do it on the floor and have it on the floor. Okay, so the first thing that you want to check is basically you want to turn your air first. Okay, if you don't remember how to turn it on the side of the tank, the valve, it shows right here, on and off. Okay, how to turn it on and how to turn it off. Okay, it's written there. All right, so okay, then you want to make sure that you inflate and deflate properly. You inflate, you deflate, inflate. So whenever you're inflating, it's inflating. Whenever you're deflating, it's deflating. You want to check on the spring. Inflate, deflate, inflate, deflate. Then you want to inflate fully and making sure there is two valves. Okay, one is right here, is the down valve. Okay, and one is at the back of the BCD. So you need to know how to locate it. So one, pull here the string, and one. Okay, so you can inflate more to check, make sure that it works and it's releasing the air that the BCD doesn't need so it doesn't explode. Pull the string here, one, and one more at the back to make sure it's deflate. The last thing that I would ask the divers or the student to check is already inflate the BCD by pressing the deflate button and blow it. And let go. Blow it. Let go. So you have to make sure that you remember how to orally inflate the BCD in case the LPI here get disconnected under the water. Then you don't remember how to put it on because now we have pressure in the hose. It's a little bit difficult to put it in. So if you do this, you know how to put it back in. So you want to try and play with that, with the pressure on, with the tanks on. So orally inflate like maybe 3 times or 4 times maximum full. So let's do that one more time. Deflate everything, squeeze it out, let all the air out so that you get the rhythm right. Press the deflate button and blow. Let go. Inflate button, deflate button and blow. Then, alright, you want to make sure that you smell the air by pressing the perch button. Okay, it's always good to smell your air. Then you breathe the air by looking at the gauge, and I always do this twice. Looking at the air gauge needles, not going like so you check on the primary. You also want to check on the secondary. You don't have to smell on this one because it's the same air, but you do want to make sure that the perch button works. Okay, and breathe and look at the gauge again. This to make sure that also that the breathing is not heavy. Whenever you're inhaling, it's giving you the air that you need. Whenever you're exhaling, it's not like giving you a free flow regulator where it can suffocate you. So then we'll tuck it in after we check the air. We want to make sure we know how to tuck it in, never hide the mouthpiece. So now we check the BCD, we check the air. What else do we need to check? Okay, we want to make sure that we clip here and secure it properly. And before you go diving, before you put on your wetsuit and your weight, the last thing you do is close your air. Okay, I would depressurize it. Okay, looking at the needle, making sure that the air that it reads here that I have full tank 210 is correct breathing. So I purge it, depressurizing it, making sure the needles goes to 0. So when your dive guide is asking you for your air, it's telling you the right air. Okay. So then this is the time that I will leave my BCD fully inflated, but already inflated. So when I come back to it, if it's not the way it's supposed to look like this, it might have a small leaks. So this is the time also that I will default my mask. Okay, I will default my mask and I clip it on the chest buckle. Okay, you guys, stay tuned for more videos on diving, scuba tips, scuba facts, and any related scuba eco diving related. Till then, thank you very much for watching.